In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user input in Manychat. We'll move through three simple parts: opening a flow, adding a message, and attaching a user input block so your bot can collect answers directly from your audience. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to choose to capture things like email addresses, phone numbers, or short text responses with confidence. Start by heading to your Manychat dashboard. From there, go to Automation, then select Flows. Open an existing flow you want to improve, or create a fresh one if you're starting from scratch. Keeping your flows organized with clear names will help later when you come back to make tweaks or review performance. Inside the flow, add a message. Click the plus icon and choose Message. This is the prompt your users will see, so keep it short, friendly, and specific. For example, you might write, "What is your email?" or "Type your name below." If it fits your brand, a small emoji can draw attention without distracting from the question. The key is to ask only one thing at a time so users know exactly what to provide. Next, attach user input to that message. Click the plus icon again and choose Action. Depending on your version, you'll see User Input, Collect Data, or Data Collection Block. They all serve the same purpose. They tell the bot to wait for a response and check that it looks right. You'll now choose the input type. Pick email when you want a valid email format. This helps reduce typos and keeps your list clean. Choose phone if you need a phone number. Manychat can help ensure proper formatting and make it easier to use the number later for messaging, depending on your channel's rules. Select text for open-ended answers like names, short feedback, or simple notes. Use number when you expect digits only, such as a quantity or an order ID, and opt for custom answer when you have a very specific kind of input in mind and want to define acceptable patterns or responses. Selecting the right type here is what gives your bot the power to guide users and catch mistakes before they happen. As you finish, read your question out loud and make sure it sets the right expectation for the type you chose. Keep it clear, polite, and concise. With that, your flow is ready to start capturing accurate, structured replies, making your conversation smoother and your data more reliable.